How to integrate ChatGPT with WhatsApp. In order to do so, first thing first, you have to create a chatbot on Communicate. You will first need to sign up for an account. You can sign up for a free trial or choose from one of the Communicate paid plan. And after signing up, you will need to create a new bot. You can do this by navigating to the bot integration section in your Communicate dashboard and click on the Create Bot button. After that, you can just integrate your chat button with ChatGPT. So in order to integrate ChatGPT with Communicate, it actually takes a simple process to activate the integration. Once you create a new bot, you can edit the bot by clicking on the Builder bot. Click on the settings in the top right corner of the page and then turn on the OpenAI ChatGPT. And then you'll have to disable the toggle for small talk when you turn on GPT. And once you are done logging into your Communicate account and signing into your account, just simply go to connect your WhatsApp number with your WhatsApp Business API. You will need to create a free account on your Partner 360 Dialog page. And after signing up to 360 Dialog, just fill in the below details like your WhatsApp number, API key, namespace, and other informations. And then you'll successfully be able to integrate your ChatGPT with WhatsApp. So this is the end of the video, and this was a tutorial video on how to integrate ChatGPT with WhatsApp. I really hope this video is gonna be helpful for you. Thank you for watching it till the end.